Best Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Samsung Jet 60 Flex Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, lightweight, portable with removable battery, powerful household cleaning for hardwood floors, tile, carpets, area rugs, VS15A6031R7, rose gold. Brand: Samsung. Special feature: portable, lightweight. Form factor: stick. Color: gold. Filter type: disc. About this item: cleans all floor surfaces. Jet 60 Flex Stick Vacuum cleans hardwood, tile, and rugs with intense suction power up to 150 AW. The Jet Cyclone technology optimizes airflow and prevents clogs, while its 5-layer filtration instantly traps dust particles. Up to 40-minute battery. Conveniently remove the battery for flexible charging and swap for a spare. Vacuum for up to 40 minutes without needing to recharge. Lightweight design cleans anywhere. Jet 60's ultralight, 6 pounds design makes cleaning around your house or apartment easy. Vacuum stairs, under the couch, and other hard-to-reach places. Its 180-degree swivel head allows the vacuum to change direction effortlessly. Accessories included: the combination tool picks up dirt on the furniture, window frames, tabletops, and in your car. Long reach crevice tool gets in tight corners and other awkward areas. Collects more dust, dirt and debris. 0.8-liter, high-capacity dustbin collects more dirt, dust, and debris, so you don't have to empty it as often and is hand-washable, so cleaning it is a snap. Efficient cleaning from the inside out. Clog-reducing Jet Cyclone technology provides consistent, powerful suction to keep dirt and debris from building up on the filter. The energy-efficient motor is designed for high performance while maximizing battery power. Breath Cleaner Air captures pet dander, pollen, and other allergens for cleaner air in your home. 5-layer filtration system picks up large clumps of dust, captures fine dust, and traps 99.999% of micro dust. Thank you for watching video.